Why did we start this? Tonight, a little after 7 o'clock, and you're here to better your future. So I started the Head Start Fund for many different reasons. One of them in particular was because I was that kid in high school that didn't know what I wanted to do, and a lot of people said, you got to go to college and be successful, and I knew deep down in my heart that college wasn't what I wanted to do. The only thing I want from the kids that come to the meetings is to not give up after a couple of meetings. Anything worth having, you have to work at. And we always tell them that you have to put the work in to get the work out. But this networking group that we basically have is like I always say, it's like magic. We're taking kids who have no clue what they want to do. They have no clue of what's even available to them. And then we have, on the other side, business owners who need motivated individuals that have no idea how to talk to these kids. So all we're simply doing is just putting them in the same room, and no one's ever really done it. The way we have it designed is a once-a-month meeting. They get to meet with all different types of individuals from different industries, and they get to figure out which direction they want to go in. There's still people out there that don't know we have this organization, so I keep putting these videos out. Like, our job is awareness. We're making these kids aware of what opportunities they have ahead of them. I need people to share this page. I need people to comment. I need people to like. I need some help organically. The organic help on social media is a huge help for us.